Good afternoon everyone. This is our project demonstration. Our project for capstone project is single phase cycloconverter for motor speed control. This is our project. A cycloconverter is a device that is used to change frequency of a voltage waveform. Our fundamental frequency is 50 Hz, but with our project we are changing the frequency in 41 Hz, 33 Hz and 25 Hz. Mainly frequency conversion is required in traction applications where we change frequency of input supply for a motor to change its speed. Here also we are using a motor to indicate the change in frequency. This is a single phase resistance start induction run motor. From start our project is like from a 230 volt by 12 volt transformer we are converting 230 volt AC to 12 volt AC. Then with this bridge wave rectifier and voltage regulator we are converting the 12 volt AC to 5 volt DC and this feeding it to this microcontroller. Microcontroller requires 3 inputs: 5 volt DC voltage and 11 megahertz oscillations which we are providing from crystal oscillator, and then interrupt signals which we are providing through the operational amplifier set. These are selector switches which are used to change the mode of operation. Changing mode of operation means when we change mode of operation, this microcontroller changes the gate pulses providing to the gate terminals of SCR. These are the SCRs. The gate pulse are provided to gate or terminal of SCR through opto isolator. The LCD screen is given to monitor the mode on which mode the cycloconverter is running. The capacitor and resistors are connected to the SCRs for their commutation. SCRs can be turned on by directly applying 230 volt supply and gate pulse, but for their turning off we require commutation circuit. If we directly turn them off, they can get damaged. And this small button is the reset button. Many times the microcontrollers get hanged, so with this reset button we discharge a small capacitive voltage to the microcontroller so that it will restart. Now let us test the project. First I am using the full cycle mode. In the full cycle mode, the SCRs are conducting the total voltage waveform. 50 Hz voltage is applied to the motor and the motor is rotating at 3000 rpm synchronous speed, and the actual rotor speed is somewhat 2800. When we change to our mode 2, this is our mode 2, the LCD screen shows F3 cycle, which is our mode 2. In this mode, the gate pulses which are provided at gate terminal of SCR will be such that the voltage given at output side is of 41.33 Hz. Now the motor is rotating at a speed of 500 rpm is dropped, which is the rotation speed is 2500 rpm synchronous speed. The actual speed would be 2400 rpm. This is the second mode. On the LCD it is showing F/4 cycle. Now the output voltage waveform will be of 33.33 Hz. Now more 500 rpm drop will be there in the speed. The synchronous speed will be 2000 rpm and the actual speed will be 1800 rpm approximately. Now the fourth mode. Now the fourth mode, the LCD it is showing F2 cycle. Now the output voltage frequency is 25 Hz. The synchronous speed is 1500 RPM, and the actual rotor speed would be 1400 or 300 approximately. Thank you.